Monte Fit and Right, the #1 juice drink, the only one clinically proven to burn fat. 100% pure L-carnitine and B vitamins. Natural fruit juice that's so refreshing. Del Monte Fit and Right.
You're at your best only when your mind and body work together. That's why there's Pharmaton. Pharmaton has Ginseng G115 and Dianol to help your mind focus. Plus vitamins and minerals to release the power that's within you. Pharmaton. Want it. Win it.
Bakit kayo nakadekolor? Baka kayo mamantsahan.
May Sunrox Color Safe na!
Himala!
Sunrox Color Safe Bleach. Tinatanggal ang mancha sa dekolor habang binibigyan ng inyong sabong panlaba ng extra cleaning power. Resulta, mas maganda ang labada. Sunrox Color Safe Bleach.
Hulog ka ng langit.
Mula sa Total Linis ni Mrs.
Love overflows in the innocence of touch. For water as pure as the love you give. Absolute. Pure water, pure love.
Kung hindi nagka-break nun, walang Robin Padilla ngayon. Naalala ko pa nun.
Inoy, ito na break mo. May sale ako.
Kailangan lang talaga ng break. Skyflex muna, noon pa man. Kada kagat, busog. Kada kagat, tibay ng loob. Dahil bawat Pilipino, kailangan lang ng break.
Oh, dito si Robin, ha? Kasama si Marlon.
Eto na break mo. Kagatin mo.
You don't need to rinse your mouth all day for long-lasting fresh breath. Introducing new Colgate Plaques. It's clinically proven to help reduce bacteria accumulation for a full 12 hours and gives you the confidence of long-lasting fresh breath anytime, anywhere. Colgate Plaques, 12-hour antibacterial protection and long-lasting fresh breath. Colgate, recommended by dentists.
Sabi nila, less is more. Pero pagdating sa pagkain, the more, the merrier.
Dairy Cream. Alam ng mapiling ina na luto'y nagiging mas malinamnam. Basta Dairy Cream ang gamit niya. Mas rich, mas masarap, at tiyak pasado sa panlasa.
Pero remember, ang pagkain lalong nagiging mas malinamnam kung may ka-share. Kaya nga lahat ito para sa ating dalawa. Diba sarap?
Dairy Cream. Pinipili ng mapiling ina.
I'm a warrior. I have the skill. I have the will to never back down. The energy of a charging army is in my veins. The strength of a mighty fortress is in my bones. That's the only way I play.
With high calcium plus Actigen E in the all-new Milo 3-in-1 for adults. Unleash the champion within.
Spots can ruin the beauty of fair skin. Pond's Flawless White with VAOB3 penetrates the skin to target dark spots at the source, lightens skin, and reduces dark spots in just 7 days. Pond's Flawless White, now 100 pesos off.
I'm hungry. Need something filling.
The name's Bun. Meaty Bun from Mr. Donut. Special bread made even more special with meaty filling.
Meaty.
The new Meaty Buns from Mr. Donut.
Sarap ang surprise.
Now with cream filling with 9 vitamins and 6 minerals of Enermax. Bring out the tiger.
Handa ka bang lumaban?
Mag-Samurai Energy Drink. Pampalakas ng katawan at isip. Para kahit mabigat ang trabaho, lalaban. Bagong Samurai Energy Drink. Handa sa laban araw-araw.
Meron kang karamay, pero si nanay, higit na dadamay. May gagamot sa sugat mo, pero si nanay, higit na magpapagaling sa'yo. Lagi siyang higit magmahal, kaya pati hain niya, may higit na nilalaman. Ang Nord Chicken Cubes may up to 5 times more meat kaysa ilang panghalo sa sabaw. Kaya karneng-karne ang sarap. Si nanay, higit na saya ang binibigay. Nord Chicken Cubes.
I love watching them learn. And as a mom, natututo rin ako. Gaya ng causes ng fever at pagbigay ng tamang treatment. Kaya sa lagnat, I follow my PD's advice. Calpol. Nothing works faster than the medicine in Calpol. 15 minutes lang, tumatalab na. Kaya I've used it ever since. Para sa anak ko, there's nothing better. Calpol, it's my choice.
Every one of these city valleys should be up. Do you agree with me? 3 minutes past 5 in the morning. What else are you going to do? Good morning, Mrs. Kramer.
With 9 vitamins and 6 minerals of Enermax, Tiger Energy Biscuits bring out the tiger.
3 months na damage. Time for 3-minute miracle from Pantene. Its Pro-V formula helps repair 3 months of damage in just 3 minutes. Pantene. Shine with every shampoo sachet. Now $4.50.
Hey, the taste of corned beef just got really sexy. Check out new Century Corn Tuna. Century quality tuna na may seasoned and smoked flavor ng corned beef. It's Century Tuna. Kaya it's super packed with omega-3 DHA that's good for both mind and body. Sarap ng corned beef, made healthy by Century. Century Corn Tuna.
What's good and what's better? Brisk walking, good. Brisk walking with weights, better. Biking, good. Biking cross-country, better. Single ingredient vitamins, good. Rogen E, better. The only one with the unique combination of ginseng for endurance, Dianol for mental potency, and royal jelly for vitality. Playing chess, good. Playing chess with pieces that are your size, better. Rogen E every day, the better habit.
Problema sa tubo? Lover's Putty. Hand moldable and easy to apply. Kaya nito ang 2 to 6 times ng standard household water pressure at safe gamitin.